It can be kind of a challenge for kids to learn how to play the guitar, but having the right instrument makes a big difference. So in this video, I want to give you my recommendation on the best guitar for the kids in your life to learn on. When it comes to kids learning how to play the guitar, they can learn on a full-size guitar. It is possible, some kids have done it, but let's face it, children don't have as much of a attention span as adults do, or as much persistence as adults do. So we need to try to eliminate as much difficulty as possible. Let's make it as simple as possible to learn, and it all starts with the instrument. Now, in the past, I've taught children as young as 5 years old, and I've always taught them on a ukulele because obviously it's a lot smaller, the neck is thinner, and it uses nylon strings, so it's much easier on the fingers. And so in most cases, a ukulele is a great alternative to learning on a full-size guitar. But there are pros and cons to that. I just went over the pros for it. You know, it is smaller, you got the nylon strings, you got the thinner neck. The cons to the ukulele is that you have to learn completely different chords. The chords are not the same, they don't transfer over to the guitar. So for the ukulele, we're gonna have only 4 strings instead of 6, and it's tuned G, C, E, A. So it's a completely different tuning than the original guitar. So when your kid is growing up and they want to transition from the ukulele to the guitar, they're gonna have to relearn everything in terms of the chords that they have to play, even the melodies that they might have learned for some of their songs. They're gonna have to relearn it on the guitar. So I was always under the impression that those were my only 2 options. You either learn how to play on a full-size regular guitar, or maybe a 3/4 size or half-size guitar, but still that's pretty big for a 5-year-old, or you learn how to play on the ukulele. But there's actually a third option which takes the best of both worlds, and that is the Guilele, which is actually a hybrid between the guitar and the ukulele. And basically what you have here is you have the size of a ukulele. It's a little bit bigger, but it's much smaller than a 3/4 size guitar or even a half-size guitar. And you also have the nylon strings, which makes it much easier on the fingers. But then you also have, what's nice also is that you have the guitar tuning. So you have 6 strings instead of 4, like the ukulele, and it's actually tuned in the same way as the guitar. Now, if you want to play the Guilele and the guitar at the same time, you'd actually have to put the capo on the 5th fret on the guitar. But the tuning is the same. So basically, you're gonna be playing the same chord shapes and the same melody shapes. So when your kid is ready to transition from the smaller instrument to the big one, they don't have to relearn everything. So as I said, the tuning for the Guilele is going to be 5 steps up from the guitar. So the outside strings are going to be A instead of E, and then you have D, G, C, E on the middle 4. Now, because we have 6 strings instead of 4, the neck is going to be thicker than a ukulele guitar, but it's still going to be better than trying to learn on a full size. So this is the Guilele that I recommend. It's a Yamaha, and it's the one that I've been using to teach my kids for the past year now, and they love it and they've been doing great. I ordered this one from Amazon right around $100, and it comes with a case as well, so you can carry it around and take it with you if you have to travel with it. So if you're interested in getting one like this for the kids in your life, then I'll include a link in the description down below. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new videos and lessons. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.
I said